they dance in a curly-Q dance. Pulses and ringing and campfire chants. And ritual drumming. Come on, Chris, give us some of that ritual drumming over there. Chris Andrews on the drums, people. That's Jordan Giangreco on the keyboard right there. John Kneeland on the other guitar. Goldstein on the bass. And I am Ricardo Montalban. And welcome to Fantasy Island, people.
Thank you. Yeah. Thanks a lot, Ricardo.
Thank you.
This is a sprightly little crew out there. All right, well, I'm told we have 15 minutes left. That's either going to be one long song, two medium songs, or maybe 50 or 60 very short songs.
Yeah.
Have yet to be decided. What should we play? What's the request?